with us today. Look at the super awesome chocolate cake! Yeah! We're gonna get started right away. So much fun stuff on this delicious cake. Are you a super chocolate fan too? I know I am. We're gonna get right started, but as you're watching, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Give us a huge thumbs up and leave us a comment. Make sure you never miss a super awesome magic cake video. We have so many fun cakes planned, you don't want to miss a single one. Are you ready for a fun chocolate trivia question today? All right. What chocolate bar is named after the galaxy we live in? Do you have any idea what it is? Stay to the end to find out. Or if you know, leave us a comment. And you can see if you're right at the very end. Wow, look at all those strawberries! Except they're not really strawberries. They're fake strawberries. Isn't that so cool? Ooh, and we're gonna make our own sprinkles! So fun! Pop those out! Lots and lots of confetti sprinkles! But we're making them confetti frosting sprinkles. Isn't that cool? And we want rainbow colors! More colors, the better. While you're watching, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give us a huge thumbs up and leave us a comment. Make sure you never miss a super awesome video. Whoa, and red color too. And green. And blue. Wow. Oh, look at this super creamy chocolate frosting and cake. Num, 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 num. Oh, I don't know about you, but I'm so hungry. Doesn't that look delicious? Mmm. That looks like a perfect breakfast. Oops, did I say breakfast? I meant dessert. But I bet it would taste delicious for breakfast, too. Spread on that frosting. Mmm.
Yo!
I just want to lick it all up. It looks so good. Smooth it in. We're gonna make the frosting so smooth. Wow, that looks so awesome. Whoa! Pouring chocolate over the top. This is gonna make you hungry if you watch this video. But that's okay. Are you a huge chocolate fan? Or are you more of a vanilla person? Isn't this so fun? You're making chocolate drips. That looks so cool. More chocolate. So yummy. Now we get to start decorating the top. Are you ready for the answer to our trivia question? What candy bar is named after our galaxy? The answer is the Milky Way bar, because we live in the Milky Way. Did you know that? That's so cool. Even more chocolate. Oh, here comes our super fun rainbow sprinkles! This is gonna look like such a fun chocolate party cake! Remember to hit that subscribe button! Give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment! Make sure you never miss an awesome video! Aw, and our cute little strawberries right on top! Doesn't this look so fun? Aw, so cute and so fun! Just in time for a party! All